Kinging it. Rule your own world.
You're a naughty boy. You go into the garage. Morning and welcome back to Kinging It. It's just me this morning because I went home last night and Amy went to her gaff. But if you saw the last video, as we were driving home from Southerndown, the engine management light came on and we had a little message on the dashboard saying engine failure. So that's cool. So we've had this car less than a week and it's already starting to break on us. So I'm taking this bad boy down to my brother today so he can have a look at it. Hopefully it's nothing major. Fingers crossed. Post some more King at the parcels first. Cheers lads. Here we are in the garage. My brother's gone to get a little machine to check how badly this bad boy is broken. Hopefully it'll just be something little. Give us some good news. It's his new iPad. Old school, baby. It's Tom's first day as a mechanic. Have a look at the car. It's just a loose spark plug. We're on a winner.
It's fixed.
Yes! He's only got a bloody fixed it. Yes! Ferranda is back in the game. So funny because he was like, everyone comes into this garage and they're like, oh, it's probably a loose wire, and he said it never happens. And then he looked at the engine, he's like, the spark plug's loose, and we were like, yes! Happy bloody days, back in the game. Hello.
Days okay?
Do you want the good news or the bad news?
Bad.
The good news is it was just a loose spark plug. The bad news is we're gonna have to go charity shop shopping.
You know, help me then. My hand's gone.
Yes!
Oh, thank God. Tom is an absolute legend, and he's obviously a little, lucky charm.
Yeah, he is. Bloody legend. He said no one in the history of coming into the garage has ever had a loose wire apart from us. How's it going then, fam? Were you worried about Ferranda this morning?
Yes. Why'd you make me have heart palpitations?
Heart palpitations?
Ah, it was National Sleep Day yesterday and I didn't fulfill it, did I?
We smashed it yesterday.
We did really well, didn't we?
It was the top day.
Let's keep the momentum going. I've got a feeling these are from Quick Sergeant. Sounds like sent your t-shirts.
Cool.
So we can wear them on the Mongol Rally. Oh, I didn't think they'd be black.
Did you get 4?
Yeah, there's 4. Oh, wicked, they're the new ones.
Amazing.
Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they're fab, aren't they?
Brilliant.
Right, we'll be wrapping them then in Uzbekistan.
This happened again. So we've got the car fixed and now we have to put it through its first test. Driving in the snow. I have to try and get to Amy's house. So yeah, here she is. Little snow-capped Ferranda. How are we doing this morning, babes? Hopefully I don't slip too much. Here we go. I'm a little bit nervous because I don't want to hit any cars. I don't want to slide around in this. Bit of classic FM in the morning. Okay. No! Oh, you twat! Well, our Canadian followers are probably laughing their heads off now, like this is not even snow. Okay, we're away. Come on, Ferranda babes, don't let me down now. Like the ice rink at Tesco's, I'm sliding all over the shop. Our pal Jess is coming over today to do some visa stuff, so this is happening in the bathroom.
Well, when you got mates coming over and you go like, oh God, no, I need to go to the house. She legitimately needs a clean. She's so smelly.
Molly, you're a mess. Nice little head scarf.
Thanks very much. Done in a vintage shop. £2 for a tenner, far too expensive, really.
How's the campaign going? We posted it live today, didn't we?
We were really excited, weren't we? We can't wait to do this one. We just hope, everyone can back us like we think it should be backed, because obviously they're brilliant charities, so the more money we can raise from the better, and it's just such a great mission that we're going on.
It's going to be mad, isn't it?
It's nuts, I can't wait.
Oh, terror. Stop trying to act all innocent.
Feeling so sorry for yourself. She's like, if there's anyone out there, please ring Animal Childline.
Animal Childline. We got a visitor. The smallest artist in Barry. Here she is. Hello, hello.
What is happening? Hello. Oh.
We're cooking up a storm, cooking up a vegan chili, whilst these two are in charge of planning the route. Jess is running away, which isn't a good sign. But I just heard Amy say, we'll have to just do our best with the visas. How's it going then, girls?
Really good. Can you just not speak to us?
I'm just taking the back seat, I'm just the cook.
This is a £100 donation, guys.
Oh, what a pair of legends.
What an actual pair of legends.
So we just put our Mongol Rally video up and these legends just donated 100 quid, so thanks guys.
I'm really going to say their names wrong now, but Carlo and Yolandi, thanks a bunch, guys. They're like, I hope our small donation goes a long way. That's a massive donation. So we've just had an email back from the Iranian tour guide who said, thank you for making the decision, because he gave us a few options. Please fill in the attached visa form together with your passport, la la la. And he's going to apply for our visas in April. So he wants chances of them saying no though, because that can't happen.
You got a criminal record?
No criminal record.
Jess?
Jess out.
I can get it once.
She's a streaker, so there's a few dots on her record.
Nothing bad.
We finally finished the route!
Yes! And on a Sunday, the day of rest and holiness and all that jazz, and we've been working our butts off.
Took us hours, so now we're gonna go out for a spin in the car and Jess is gonna bloody drive, isn't she?
I told her if she crashes it, then she's off the list.
I'm a good driver, I'll have you know.
We'll see now.
I bloody hope so, Jess. I bloody hope so.
Come on then.
I'm gonna handbrake turn us out of here.
You are then. To figure out how to open it. Have you got a licence?
You don't need those. Not the way we're going.
Hey! What's your game? Yes, go on. You know.
I think we should put my seatbelt on.
Just takes getting used to a new car, that's all. I'll be flying through.
Might have to hold some more interviews for a replacement, I think.
Yeah, I don't want to. How is Will going to fit in? Here, look at your knees. I'm in the middle though. I'm going to squeeze in.
I can't believe we're doing this.
It's
gonna be
like, this isn't holidays. You don't do holidays anymore. It's like
Adventure.
yeah, just how much shit can we get into to try and get out of? Let's go to Iran.
Okay.
I think it's alright.
Go down,
There's
go
loads of space over there.
No mobility scooters getting past there.
There's a guy got to get on there.
Yeah.
I am in the bush.
That'll do.
Where's the phone? Something's under it. Car.
Right there.
You
survived. Morning guys, welcome back. Today we're actually going to end the vlog with the sunrise. Amy's out with her mum today and we're going to be vlogging tomorrow, so I'm down the front in Penarth and it looks like it's going to be a beauty. I think they're filming like a French film down here. There's a lot of French actors and smooth cams and stuff. It's pretty cool. So that is it for today's vlog. So if you're brand spanking new, thanks so much for watching King in It. Make sure you press subscribe. And if you're not new, we bloody love you guys. Honestly, all the support and the comments and all the pledges to our GoFundMe for this rally have been so much appreciated. Every time we see a new one, we're like, yes! So thanks for backing us, guys. It means so much. So always remember, I have to take Amy's spot now, rule your own world. 1, 2, 3, bye!